Hello, class 7th. Today you will read about questions. A sentence which asks something is called as questions. Kinds of questions. Questions can be asked in different ways depending on what answer is needed. ओके क्लियर है यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस को आस्क करने के लिए कई तरीके होते हैं यस और नो क्वेश्चंस एक तो होता है आपका यस और नो क्वेश्चन These questions require the listener to answer yes or no. The helping verb is placed at the starting of the question. इस टाइप के सेंटेंस में क्या होता है हेल्पिंग वर्ब आपका स्टार्टिंग में प्लेस होता है The use of the helping verb indicates whether the questioner is seeking permission. May I go shopping in the city? Querying possibility. Can you reach the school in the time? Acquiring ability, can you work all days without tearing? Indicating politeness, would you like to sleep first? Seeking confirmation, do the market close at 7 today? परमिशन के लिए है क्वारीज करने के लिए है क्वारीज एबिलिटी के लिए है और इंडिकेटिंग पॉलिटनेस के लिए है और कंफर्मेशन के लिए In all the above examples, the helping verb used before the subject. The other verb comes after the subject. ये जितने भी एग्जाम्पल्स थे उसमें आपका हेल्पिंग वर्ब सब्जेक्ट से बिफोर था और अदर वर्ब क्या थी आफ्टर सब्जेक्ट थी The verb be also comes before the subject if it is an ordinary verb rather than a helping verb. For example, are you late? Is he ill today? Was he present in the meeting? Questions word या question why questions. These questions require the listener to supply information. Answer to these questions cannot be a one word answer. Answer to such a question will be a complement complete sentence. Okay, these questions require the listener to supply information. इसे आपको लिसनर जब कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन देता है तो तब ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हम पुट अप करते हैं so why questions being with when where why what who or how as who plays football okay here why words substitutes for the subject remember कुछ हमें ध्यान रखना चाहिए क्या which is used with person as which boy won the game which can distinguish between possible answer as which girl Priya or Supriya won the game. What and who are more open as who won the game and who change case as necessary as whose ball is this. Sometimes the words what, which are who are the subject of the sentence are part of the subject. So no change in the order of subject and verb is needed for कभी कभी क्या होता है what, which, who are the subject of the sentence ये subject हो जाते हैं या फिर part of the subject या फिर subject के part होते हैं तो so no change in the order of subject and verb is needed. For example, which shirt do you want? Who switched the fan on? What makes the earth go round? Next, tag questions. Most of the questions are used to inquiry about something or to request information. When we want to know if the listener agrees with us, we can also add a short question to what we are saying. This known as questions tag. For example, it is now 6 o'clock, isn't it? It is 6 o'clock now is a statement. मतलब सामने वाले का पता है कि वो एग्री यस में देगा पॉजिटिव होगी आंसर तो अब हम ऐसे क्वेश्चंस यूज करते हैं. Remember, a negative verb in the question stack must be in the shortened form. We can sit in the set, can't we? Okay, we can sit in the set, cannot we? It is incorrect. Okay, आपको short में आंसर देना है तब आपका करेक्ट होगा. Isn't it is a question tagged on the statement. There is a comma separating the statement from the question tag. Okay, comma का यूज करते हैं. So your answer to this question can be yes, it is, or no, isn't. Note the verb and tense in each of these tag questions. The verb in the statement is repeated in the tag. However, one verb is positive and the other is negative. Remember, when the verb in the statement is not a verb to be, verb to have, or helping verb, we use the negative form of the verb to in the tag. For example, Priya loves comics, doesn't she? I bought the camera, didn't? Raj and Ravi play in the school cricket team, don't they? When the verb in the statement is positive, the verb in the question tag is negative. When the verb in the statement is negative, the verb in the question tag is positive. For example, example से समझते हैं. देखिए क्या है. We can go to play, can't we? They shouldn't fly the kite, should they? They sang the old song, didn't they? Okay, यहाँ देखिए जब क्या है, पॉजिटिव है, तो हम किस फॉर्म में पूछेंगे, निगेटिव फॉर्म में. और जब निगेटिव फॉर्म में होगा तो हम किस फॉर्म में पूछेंगे, पॉजिटिव फॉर्म में. If the statement start with there, the question tag must end with there as well. For example, there were a plenty of animal in the zoo, weren't there? There aren't any bad jokes in this film, are there? Okay, if the statement start with there, अगर आपका statement there से start होता है तो question tag must end with there as well. नहीं, question tag आपका there पे ही end होगा. Next two pages you have a exercise, okay, that you will do. First, Sunny has got a new bike. The teacher told the children a story. My father worked in the multinational companies. He was a close friend of my mother. Okay, and form tag question with the following statement. Those people shouldn't complain. You will make your questions. Okay. Second page also. What is wrong with the questions tag in the following? आपको mistake find out करना है. Okay, और correct करना है. Here are questions. Okay. Next question number D. Fill in the blanks with the correct question words from the boxes. Okay, you will do here yourself.